Hey guys, Inder this side from 24/7 everything. Hope you all are doing great. We are again back with another video, and this time it's on Asus Zenfone Max Pro M1. So this video can also be applicable for Asus Zenfone Max Pro M2 as well, but versions would be like somewhat different. So in this particular video, we'll see how to update your phone using external storage in stock recovery mode. So let's begin with that. So this is the best, or I would say ideal method to update your phone when you have firmware update or OTA update. And even this can also resolve issue like sometimes some viewers or users have complained like, brother, I'm not getting that notification related prompt or message when I'm keeping this file, this particular file in the internal storage or in the root directory and so on. So I thought let's create a video from the Android 10's perspective. So for that, firstly, let me confirm you that I'm already, or my phone is already in Android 10. This is Android 10. And aside to that, it is already in Android 10 beta 4 version with the version number 432. So in this particular video, we'll be going to update from 432 to 438, which is Android 10 beta 5. Now, I'm assuming you have already downloaded this particular file, or I would say this is not applicable only for beta 4 to beta 5. This can be like you can update in Android 10 using beta 1 to beta 2, beta 1 to beta 3, beta 1 to 4, and so on, any combination or permutation. So in each and every case, the upgradation file should be the newer, or I would say the later one as compared to the one which is already installed here. So now I've already like installed 432 on my side, and I'm having the update file of 438 as well. So this is what that Android 10 beta 5 438 firmware file. So now we are good to go with the installation part using external storage, because I have already kept this in my external storage, that is SD card. Let me confirm you that as well. So this is that external card. So I'm just going to restart my power of my phone. So it will take nearly about 2 to 3 seconds to properly shut down, and afterward I'll suggest you to wait at least 4 to 5 more seconds so that all the component behind this particular phone will be properly shut down. Now you just have to tap on power button and volume down button. As soon as you will see Android logo, just release the power key and keep on pressing the volume down button. So by this way, within next 5 to 6 seconds, we will be booted to the stock recovery mode, where we will be updating our phone using external storage method. So just wait for that particular part. So finally, we have been booted to the stock recovery mode, and here we will be following our demonstration. So as I have told you that we have to choose external storage, so I'll be selecting third option from the bottom, that is apply update from external storage. So once I'll be selecting this, I have to press power button so that I can directly jump into the SD card or external storage, and it has listed out all the contents in that particular SD card. So this is what folder where I have to move in, like Asus Max Pro M1. Then the full firmware version, that is 3.Android 10 beta 5.4. This is at that particular folder, and this is that particular file which I'll be going to update. So this is 438 Android 10 beta, and I'm already in 432, that is Android 10 beta 4. So I'm just going to tap it here, and it will start verifying the package. So after successfully verifying the package, it will start updating or installing the update. So let's wait till that particular time. So finally the update has been successfully installed. Now we are good to go with the reboot system, but before that I'll suggest you to complete the wipe cache partition. So which is fourth option from the bottom. Just tap it here and it will clear all the junk files which has been accumulated during this particular installation or upgradation process. Now we are good to go with the reboot system now. So in total it will take 2 to 3 minutes to fully boot into the home screen or login screen. So finally we have successfully booted into the login screen. So let me just swipe it because I haven't set up any security method. Now I'm just going to the about phone section to show you that we have successfully upgraded from beta 4 to beta 5, that is 432 to 438, using external storage method in stock recovery mode. So I always find this as ideal, or I would say the best way to update a phone or upgrade a phone, be it monthly updates or I would say major OS upgrades. So this was all from my side related to how to update a Asus Zenfone Max Pro M1 in stock recovery mode using external storage. Hope you like this video. If you really like this video, kindly share this with your friends and family. And apart from this, please subscribe to our channel, because this will surely motivate us and boost us to create more videos like this in the coming future. Finally, it's the time to sign off now. Bye for now. Thanks.
night.